Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kita lanjutkan lagi pembahasan TOEFL Clips kita. Kita masuk ke optional relative clause reduction. In restrictive relative clause, it is possible to omit the relative pronoun and the verb be along with any other auxiliaries in the following cases. Before relative clause in the passive voice. Nih, contohnya ini. This is the Z value which was obtained from the table areas under the normal curve, or this is the Z value obtained from the table areas under the normal curve. Before proportional fresh, the beaker that is on the counter contains a solution. Bisa juga dihilangkan, the beaker on the counter contains a solution. Nah, selain dalam passive voice, prepositional phrase, bisa juga di before continuous verb. Contohnya, the girl who is running down the street might be in trouble. The girl running down, langsung aja, running down. The street might be in trouble. It is also possible to omit the relative pronoun and the verb be in non-restrictive clauses before non-fresh. Mr. Jackson, who is a professor, is traveling in the medias this year. Mr. Jackson, a professor, is traveling in the medias this year. Oke, kita masuk ke exercise 30H. Relative clause reduction. Reduce the relative clause in the following sentences. George is the man who was chosen to represent the committee at the convention. Jadi, George is the man chosen to represent the committee at the convention. Lanjut lagi, all of the money that was accepted has already been released. All of the money that accepted, nggak pakai that lagi berarti. Sorry ya, jadi si who sama verbnya itu dihilangkan ya. All of the money that-nya dihilangkan sama was-nya, jadi all of the money accepted has already been released. The papers on the table belong to Patricia. The man brought to the police station confessed to the crime. The girl drinking coffee is Mary Ellen. John Wives, a professor, has written several papers on the subject. The man talking to the policeman is my uncle. The book on the top shelf is the one that I need. The number of students counted is quite high. Leo Evans, a doctor, eats in this restaurant every day. Oke, kita masuk ke that other uses. Jadi penggunaan that untuk yang lain. Optional that, the word that has several uses besides it is in relative clauses. One such use is a conjunction. Sometimes, terkadang, when that is used as a conjunction, it is optional, and sometimes it is obligatory. Jadi di sini obligatory itu adalah wajib, kewajiban. It is usually optional after the following verb. Say, tell, think, believe. Say, berkata, menceritakan, berpikir, dan mempercayai. John said that he was leaving next week. John said he was leaving next week. Henry told me that he had a lot of work to do. Henry told me he had a lot of work to do. Obligatory, that is usually obligatory after the following verb when introducing another clause. Mention, declare, report, state. Mention, menyebutkan, declare, menyatakan, report, melaporkan, state. State itu menyatakan sih kalau nggak salah, sebentar. Keadaannya. Lanjut, the mayor declared that on June the 1st he would announce the result of the search. George mentioned that he was going to France next year. The article stated that this solution was flammable. Jadi kalau pakai ide, stated that, itu tuh menyatakan, artikel menyatakan solusi was flammable. Flammable itu mudah terbakar. Lanjut lagi, that clauses. Some clauses generally introduced by noun phrase also contain that. These clauses are reversible. Reversible itu artinya yang dapat dibalik. Jadi klausa ini tuh dapat dibalik ya. Jadi di sini contohnya, it is well known that many residents of third world countries are dying. That bisa juga that-nya di awal, jadi that many residents of third world countries are dying is well known. Note, if a sentence begins with a that clause, be sure that both clause contain a verb. Jadi verbnya ada dua ya, kita bisa lihat di sini ada are dying sama is well. Lanjut lagi. It surprised me that John would do such a thing. That John would do such a thing surprises me. It wasn't believed until the 15th century that the earth revolves around the sun, or that the earth revolves around the sun wasn't believed until the 15th century. It is obvious that the Williams boy is abusing drugs. Oke, agan dulu ya sebentar. Kemudian kita lanjutkan lagi ke subjunctive. The subjunctive in English is the simple form of the verb when used after certain verb indicating that one person wants another person to do something. The word that must always appear in subjunctive sentences. If it is omitted, most of the verb are followed by the infinitive. We urge that he leave now. Coba kita cari urge itu apa? Urge itu keinginan. Kami ingin that he leave now, atau we urge him to leave now. Gitu ya. Lanjut. Study the following list of verb: advise, ask, command, decree, demand, insist, move, order, prefer, propose, recommend, request, require, stipulate. Stipulate itu artinya menetapkan. Suggest, urge. The verb want itself is not one of these verbs. In the following rule, verb indicate one of the above verb. subject plus verb, any tense. Nah, jadi di sini verbnya harus verb dari list di atas ya. Verbnya any tense, boleh tenses apa aja, that, plus subject, plus verb in simple form. Kemudian kita lanjut lagi. Contohnya di sini, the judge insisted that the jury return a verdict immediately. The university requires that all its students take this course. The doctor suggested that his patient stop smoking. Congress has decreed that the gasoline tax be abolished. We propose that he take a vacation. I move that we adjourn until this afternoon. The simple form of the verb is also used after impersonal expression with the same meaning as the above verbs. The adjective that fit into this formula include the following: advice, important, mandatory, necessary, obligatory, proposed, recommend, require, suggested, urgent, imperative. Coba kita cari apa itu artinya mandatory. Bersifat perintah. Sama, bentuk perintah juga, imperatif. In the following rule, adjective indicate one of the above adjective. It be any tense adjective plus that plus subject plus verb in simple form. It is necessary that he find the books. It was urgent that she leave at once. It has been proposed that we change the topic. Propose, dia kalau verb propose, kalau jadi adjective jadi propose. Kemudian lanjut lagi. It is important that you remember this question. It has been suggested that he forget the election. It was recommended that we wait for the authorities. Kita masuk ke exercise 39. Subjunctive, correct the error in the following sentences. If there are no error, write correct. Kita lanjut. The teacher demand that the student demand, apakah demand masuk? Kita lihat di sini. Demand masuk ya. Berarti harusnya di sini left benar. Kemudian tapi itu bukan simple form ya. Jadi simple formnya adalah leave. It was urgent that he call biasa aja. Call her immediately. Lanjut lagi. It was very important that we delay discussion. Benar ya. Lanjut lagi. She intend to move that the commit suspend. Nggak pakai S karena dia simple form. Lanjut lagi. The king decreed that the new laws take effect. I propose that you should stop this early. Lanjut lagi. Jadi di sini jangan pakai should stop dan pakai modals. Karena habis that you langsung verb in simple form ya. Lanjut lagi. Jadi salahnya ini pakai should yang ini nih. Nah, lanjut lagi. I advise you take the prerequisites. Coba kita cari di kamus. Prerequisite. Prasyarat ya. I advise you take the, dia berarti nggak pakai S. Oh, sebentar. I advise you take the, enggak, setelah the ya, setelah that, for this. Jadi di sini subjunctive verbnya itu advise. Nah, kalau di sana dia nggak mau pakai that, artinya dia setelah subjek harus pakai infinitif. Jadi I advise you to take. Tapi kalau misalnya di sini dia pakai nggak mau pakai infinitif, mau pakai simple form aja, take, ya pakai that I advise that you gitu ya. Lanjut lagi, his father prefers that he attends, nggak pakai s. Oke, lanjut, the faculty stipulated that the rule be abolished. Correct ya, ini soalnya be. Kemudian lanjut lagi, she urged that we find, harus pakai simple form. Kita lanjut ke inclusives. The expression not only but also, both, and as well as, mean in addition to, like entities must be used together, noun with noun, adjective with adjective, etc. All form must be parallel. Kita masuk ke not only but also dulu. Nah, the correlative conjunction not only but also must be used as a pair in joining like entities. The word also can be omitted, but it is preferable not to omit it. Subject plus verb plus not only, noun, adjective, adverb, prepositional phrase, but also noun, adjective, adverb, prepositional phrase, or subject not only, verb, but also verb. Jadi kalau verb, dia setelah not only ya. Lanjut lagi. Robert is not only talented, but also handsome. Beth play not only the guitar, but also the violin. He writes not only correctly, but also neatly. Neatly apa? Coba kita lihat di kamus. Rapih ya. Lanjut lagi. Maria excels not only in mathematics, but also in science. Coba kita lihat excels. Unggul ya. Lanjut lagi. Paul Anka not only plays the piano, but also compose music. Make sure that the not only clause immediately preceded the phrase to which it refers. Notice the following examples. Notice the following examples. Incorrect, he is not only famous in Italy but also in Switzerland. Yang correct adalah he is famous not only in Italy but also in Switzerland. Nah, kemudian kita lanjut lagi. Note, if there is only one adjective, it usually preceded the not only clause. In the above sentence, the adjective famous refers both to Italy and to Switzerland. Kita masuk ke as well as. The following rules apply to this conjunction. Subject plus verb plus noun or adjective or adverb or prepositional phrase plus as well as plus noun or adjective or adverb or prepositional phrase, or subject plus verb plus as well as plus verb. Robert is talented as well as handsome. Beth plays the guitar as well as the violin. He writes correctly as well as neatly. Martha excels in mathematics as well as in science. Paul plays the piano as well as compose music. Not when using as well as to indicate the accompanying subject, the phrase should be set off by commas. The verb will agree with the principal subject, not with the noun closer to it. Sini contohnya, my teacher as well as her student is going to the concert. My cousin as well as Tim have a test tomorrow. Lanjut ke both and. This correlative conjunction appear as a pair in a sentence. They follow the same rule as the one given for not only but also. Robert is both talented and handsome. Beth plays both the guitar and the violin. He writes both correctly and neatly. Martha excels both in mathematics and in science. Paul Anka both plays the piano and composes music. Note it is not correct to use both and as well as in the same sentence. Exercise 40 inclusive supplies the missing connector not only but also both and or as well as in the following sentences. Kalau kita cari ya di kamus arti dari inclusive sampai dengan Nah, kita mulai. Julia speak not only Spanish but also French. She bought the yellow sweater as well as the beach skirt. They have houses both in the country and in the city. He is not only industrious, but also ingenious. Her children have American cousin, as well as Spanish one. Their European tour includes both Germany and Austria, but not only Germany and Austria, but also Switzerland. He bandaged the arm both tightly and quickly. Clark not only practiced law, but also teaches it. Tom Tryon was a playwright as well as an actor. The bridge bouquet include rose as well as orchid. Jadi kalau di kamus, playwright itu artinya pengarang sandiwara, dramawan. Oke, terima kasih yang sudah menemani sampai sini. Mohon maaf bila ada salah kata, semoga bermanfaat. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.